Hey guys, and welcome back to another video on the RoBuilder YouTube channel. Today I didn't record my audio, so that's a plus right there, but we're going to show you guys how to make a fountain. It might be a little rough today, but I'm going to try my best. So we started out with just a cylinder, hopped into edit mode, and I think we put 8 sides for this one. And the first thing we're going to do is make the base of the fountain, which we will change later, but for a fountain, there's usually 3 to 6 tiers of how many waters spots there is. So right here we used Control B to bevel, and we're gonna make 3 tiers, and you only need to make 1 tier, and then you just copy and paste it with Shift D, and then you click, drag it up, scale it down a little bit, and do that 2 times, and then you have 3 tiers of a water fountain. And then just change the bottom tier so it's more of a base, and your top 2 will be the original shape. All right, and then at the end of the video we kind of smoothed it up a little bit with bevel as well on the harsher edges. So just enjoy this video. I'm gonna play some music, and you guys are gonna learn how to make a fountain. Tweet me the pictures of the fountains you made. You don't have to copy this one exactly, it's just a little reference point for you guys. Tweet me, post them in Discord on the creations, and guys, comment down below if there's anything you think you need to learn or want to learn in Blender or Roblox Studio. Let your boy know. But hopefully you guys do enjoy this fountain tutorial, and it does help you build your very own fountains for your maps. If you did enjoy, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day. Later.